Sometimes, this is Mr. Yandel, sometimes it's necessary to change SI units. As an example, suppose you want to change to meters and you want it equal to 163 centimeters. This is pretty easy in metric or SI units because everything's based on powers of 10. Here on this sheet you'll see two different ways that you can make that conversion. Let's follow through the process. Step one, if we want the relationship between meters and centimeters, we'll simply have to look it up. And we know that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Now what we're going to do is to make a fraction, and the fraction is going to turn out to be the equivalent of the number 1, and you'll see how this works as we show this process. 1 meter and 100 centimeters are the same thing. They're equivalent, same amount. So actually that fraction is nothing more than the number 1 in a fancy form. So look what we can do. If we want to change 163 centimeters, what we can do is put the quantity that we want to cancel, centimeters, in the denominator, and notice then we have meters in the numerator. And then, by this, we have 163 meters over 100, and by doing the division, we get 1.63 meters. It's a really easy thing to do because all we're doing is setting up the cancellation of the unit. Now here's another one. How many centimeters equal to 97 millimeters? Well, we're going to have to get the relationship between centimeters and millimeters. And watch what we do. First, we know we want to cancel the millimeters, and here's the relationship. 10 millimeters is 1 centimeter, therefore that fraction is really the number 1, even though it doesn't look like it, and millimeters are going to cancel out. So what happens on the next step? We have 97 centimeters doing the multiplication. We have 10 in the denominator, millimeters are gone, canceled those out, and we get 9.7 centimeters. Pretty easy stuff. This cancellation method is a really great thing. Now here's another method. I'm not saying I suggest this one as much as the other one. The other one's a little more the way scientists and mathematicians would do it. But this is kind of cool because what there is a stair step with the different units as they go down the list. Notice these are the small units down here, and these are the bigger units up here, and here we have the base units that everything is attached to. So what happens is we just say if we want to go from centimeters to meters, we have to go up 2 steps to the left. That tells us that we would move the decimal left 2 places. If we go to the right, we're going to have to move the decimal to the right. So if we have 163, we found out we need to go 2 to the left, 2 places to the left, 1, 2, and get 1.63. Now here are a few more examples. Use what you know and see if you can use the same method to do these. Again, I'd suggest the fraction method. It's a little better method to use, I think. A little less memorizing, a little more understanding. Happy conversions to you.